Okay, now as you can see, this fridge, this is a freezer, and this is its fridge. But now we're only having an issue with its freezer. It's not cooling properly. And the reason why, as you can see that ice, it failed to defrost it off. So once it fails, then it won't bring the coldness into the whole fridge. So what we're going to do, we're going to defrost it manually and then install new sensors.
Okay.
So it will as well be ready for use and it will be able to defrost by itself.
Oh, okay.
This fridge couldn't freeze, it couldn't cool into the freezer.
Yeah.
So we are going to make sure we work on it. Its fridge is fine. The fridge is fine.
Yeah.
The only problem it had, it was the failure
Yeah.
into the freezer. So we are going to install new sensors
Yeah.
and then defrost it manually. It will be ready for use.
Okay. Done.